With the MSO DPO70000 Series performance oscilloscopes, you get accuracy and powerful analysis necessary for the industry's most challenging measurements, with uncompromised acquisition bandwidth and high sample rate. Confidently debug and verify fourth-generation serial standards, and quickly verify complex memory systems designs. Discover problems in seconds with Tektronix proprietary DPX technology. Capture your event the first time with confidence using the powerful Tektronix pinpoint trigger system. Quickly capture complex signals with visual trigger. Connect with confidence and precision. Search millions of measured sample points to find complex signaling behavior in seconds. Analyze complex designs quickly to speed up time to answer with our powerful analysis packages. The MSO DPO70000 Series, accuracy and powerful analysis for today's leading-edge designs. To capture that elusive complex event, arm your oscilloscope with a trigger system that can find just about anything. The powerful pinpoint trigger system enables capture of virtually any event type with picosecond accuracy, from analog-like events to complex serial bus patterns. The pinpoint trigger system digs deep to quickly and accurately find A, then B event sequences like this one. Many setup choices are available, including time delay and reset conditions. Triggering on a specified serial pattern provides a tremendously powerful debug tool for many of today's buses. This powerful triggering system can also trigger on those ubiquitous lower-speed serial buses. Set up and define the trigger on protocol words associated with the I2C or SPI standard. Quickly verify memory or serial bus traffic. On the MSO DPO70000 Series oscilloscope, the powerful pinpoint trigger system makes finding complex signaling events easier than ever. The advanced search and mark system provides unprecedented flexibility and increased precision for finding complex events. You can even search on buses, math waveforms, or records created from applied functions like spectral analysis. Advanced Search and Mark makes it easy to summarize your results by auto-populating a results summary table. Immediately jump to an event with a mouse click. With Advanced Search and Mark, searching for critical information has never been easier. The MSO DPO70000 Series oscilloscope provides analysis capability to speed up verification and compliance on critical designs. Starting with the industry's most popular jitter analysis package, DPO-JET, perform jitter measurements to characterize transmitter performance on digital signals of all types. TechExpress automates pass-fail testing of the most complex serial standards. Using the Serial Data Link Analysis Visualizer makes complex de-embedding easy to evaluate. Remove channel effects, add equalization, and evaluate true serial system performance. The DDRA toolset uses customized triggers, logic qualification, and integration with the DPO-JET trigger system to accurately verify the latest DDR designs. Analyze wideband RF signals with Tektronix Signal View. For other measurements like power, RF, or telecom, rely on the wide range of over 30 different analysis packages available. Share applications across multiple scopes so that you have the tool you need when you need it. Use the Tektronix floating license system to make the most of your investment. Debugging a high-performance embedded system design is frustrating without the right tools. The MSO 70000 Series combines the power of a high-performance oscilloscope with the intelligence of a logic analyzer to uncover system glitches faster. For a clear picture of what's going on, map out multi-bus performance on your oscilloscope from any combination of logic channels. With the MSO 70000 series, you have a comprehensive view of your system to solve digital design challenges faster. Shift from digital to in-depth analog views of the channel through the same probe with eye capture. Speed up debug and see more system performance in a single setup. With high-performance logic probes, the MSO 70000 series is ideally suited for high-speed designs. With so many tools, the MSO 70000 series makes it easier and faster than ever to debug complex embedded system designs.
Find out more at Vicom's website.